Hello everyone. Today we are going to have mathematics, okay? We are going to have what? Mathematics. Today we are going to have what? Mathematics. So today's date is what? That is 23 of what? I think you were in June and January, sorry. Then 2025. Today our topic is all about what? Decimal fraction. Decimal what? Fraction. Sorry. Decimal fraction. Okay, today we are going to talk about decimal fraction, whereby you indicate where the point is located. You know, most of us do this kind of mistake. Maybe when you are giving like addition, multiplication, subtraction, like, and the number there has points, you are like, what is this point doing here? And there you not know the actual, like, actual place to add it up. Do you get me? Or to subtract it, or to multiply it. Do you get me? So today I'm going to break everything down for you right now. I'm going to break it for you to understand what is decimal fractions. Okay, for you to understand what is decimal fraction. So decimal fraction is just the point. Use the decimal fraction to separate the whole number from the fraction. We use it to separate what? The whole number for the what? Fraction. Do you get me? We use the decimal point. Don't forget, we use the decimal point to what? To separate the whole number. What do you mean by whole number? It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is not a whole number. Don't get me wrong. It's not a whole number. From 10 is no more a whole number. It is from 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just say to 9 is what is known as what? A whole number. Do you get me? So now I'm gonna give you the example for you to understand it better. Here we have this here. Okay, here we have 3, and again we have this here. We have 7. We have 7. Sorry, don't mind me. Okay, the third one is what? 6. Why here we have what? Why here we have what? 5. And this one we have hundreds, tens, right? Yeah, tens. Why here we have hundreds, here we have thousands. Okay guys, you can see the example I'm giving you right here. These are the example I'm giving you here. I hope you are seeing the board very clearly. These are the examples. So guys, as you can see, this is the points, like the example indicates. Here comes the what? Hundreds. Here comes the tens. Here comes the units. Here comes the decimal point. And here comes the tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, these are example for you to indicate. When you look at here, you can see it's a whole number. Okay, we have 3, we have 7, we have 6, we have what? Point. Then we have 2, 9, and 5. All this thing what indicates that what is a whole number, and is a decimal what? Point. It's a decimal point, whereby you know the one that it is. Okay, know the one that is what it is. So you can understand it better here. Here is tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, tens, hundred, and what? Thousand. So you don't need to misunderstand it. What do you mean by tens, hundred, and thousand? For instance, here you are like giving what? To the value of, to find the value of what? A particular number. What are you going to do? Like, you are giving a to find the decimal points of these two right there. Do you get me? So it will be what? It will be, because it's tens, Are you getting my point? Are you getting me? It's tenth. Why is it tenth? From this point we count, because here indicates 1. Sorry. So here indicates what? 1. This point indicates what? 1. While this 2 indicates what? 0. Do you get me? And for us to know that this 2 is what? Is tenth what? Is a tenth what? To decimal point. It will be what? 2 all over what? 2 all over 10. 2 all over what? 10. I hope you are getting me. It will be what? 2 all over 10. So this is our answer here. Okay? This is 2 all over what? 10. I hope you're getting me, guys. 2 all over 10. Because this one is added THS. So that it comes after the what? The point. It comes after the what? The point. So we use the point to indicate this side. While this one goes with what? Normal number. Okay, just like for instance, we are given to find the decimal point of 6. Okay, you can see it's a unit number. So for us to find the decimal point, you don't need to add any 1 to 8. You don't need to move it over to this side. It will be what? A single number. It will be what? A single number. Like this 7. Maybe you are given a decimal to find the decimal point of what? 7. Do you get me? In a number like this. So it will be what? Because you check through the point. It will be what? 70. It will be what? 70. When you are given 3 to find the what? The decimal point of what? 3. Do you get me? To find the decimal point of 3, it will be what? 300. It will be what? 300. Are you getting me, guys? It will be what? 300. But when it comes to point, this side comes with what? Follows with what? The decimal point. You can see the difference. It follows with what? The decimal point. Just like here, you have 0.2. It will be what? 1 and 0. These two indicate as what? 0. So it will be what? 2 all over what? 10. It will be what? 2 all over 10. Just like here now, we have, maybe you have to find what? 9 in the number like this. So it's hundreds. Do you get me? It's hundreds. So what it will be is that this 9, for you to count to know the actual number it is, this point here is already indicated as 1. You know it as 1 number. That is from 1 here. Then we have 0. We have 0. It will be what? 9. 9 over what? 100. You can see how we find the what? The hundreds. Do you get me? It will be what? 9 over 100. And for 5, it will be what? Then it will be 0, 0 here. It will be what? 5 over 1000. So this is your answer. Once you have arrived to this side, you have already got your what? Your answer. I hope you are understood there. Because they are different between this side and this side. They are not the same. Do you get me? They are not the same. They are different. Do you get me? So from here, you arrive at your what? Answer. Do you get me? So guys, I'm gonna give you a simple test now. I'm going to give you a simple test for you to find a decimal point. I hope you understand it. I'm going to clean it now. Then I'll give you a simple test. I'll give you a simple what? Test for you to give me your answer in the comment section. You are going to give me your answer in the comment section. I'm coming, guys. I'm going to give you a classwork. Call it classwork. Okay? So yeah, maybe for instance you have to find a value. They say find the value. Okay. Number 1. Find the value of each what? Each of the following. Of each of the following. Here we have A. Our A here is what? The 8 in in 1.85. In 1 point, you have to find 8 in these numbers. You have to find what 8 in this number. Then b we have the 6 in 5.691. Okay, then the c we have the 5 in 5.691. So these are what you are going to find for me, this three number. Okay, I'll be expecting you the answer on the comment section, guys. Just solve it. Very simple, it's not hard, very simple. Just solve it and tell me your right answer. Love you guys. Mwah.